Is Metamucil a magic bullet for diabetics? Hello everyone, today we are diving into a question that is being swirling around diabetes community. Is Metamucil the secret weapon for rock-solid blood sugar? Let's face it, living with diabetes can feel like a constant battle. We are bombarded with advice, supplements, and miracle cures, all promising to make our lives easier. So it is natural to wonder if Metamucil, that trusty fiber friend, could be the key to unlocking the perfect blood sugar control. Metamucil's main ingredient is Psyllium husk, a soluble fiber that acts like a sponge in your gut. It absorbs water, forming a gel that slows down the digestion of food, including sugar. This, in theory, could help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. But here is the truth bomb. While Metamucil might offer some benefits, it is not a magic bullet. Studies show it can have a modest effect on blood sugar control, but it is not a guaranteed fix. So let's bust some myths. Myth number 1. Metamucil replaces medications. Nope, it is a supplement, not a replacement for your prescribed diabetes management plan. Myth number 2. More is better. Overdoing it on Metamucil can lead to gas, bloating, and even blockages. Stick to the recommended doses. Myth number 3. It is all about sugar. While Metamucil can help with sugar absorption, it is crucial to focus on a balanced diet and exercise for overall blood sugar control. Here is the deal. Metamucil can be a helpful tool in your diabetes toolkit, but it is not a one-stop solution. Think of it like a trusty sidekick, not a superhero. Here are a few tips for you. Prioritize a healthy diet. Focus on whole foods, fruits, vegetables, and lean protein. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Get moving. Regular exercise helps your body use insulin more effectively, keeping blood sugar levels stable. Mind your meds. Stick to your doctor's prescribed medication plan and don't try to self-medicate with supplements. Talk to your doctor. Discuss Metamucil with your healthcare provider to see if it is right for you and fit into your overall diabetes management plan. Remember friends, managing diabetes is a journey, not a destination. Don't get discouraged by the hype. Focus on fundamentals and find what works best for you. If you do give Metamucil a try, let us know your experience in the comments below. Until next time, stay healthy, stay informed, and keep rocking that diabetes life. Bye bye.